Hello, what up? It's me again, Snoopy Cat. As Nagapawaka breached the boundary between the physical world and the digital universe, something unexpected happened. The dragon's vast, chaotic energy couldn't be contained in its pure form. The digital world, known for its strict structure, fragmented and reshaped the dragon's essence into 15 distinct colors. Each color was a separate entity with its own mind, abilities, and personality. Gray was the silent observer, gathering information. Light blue was the calm leader, organizing chaos into order. Light green healed corrupted files and restored balance. Light red was the passionate creator, fueled by fiery energy. Orange was the playful trickster, warping data and creating illusions. Pink was the dreamer, shaping surreal landscapes with creativity. Purple sought knowledge, manipulating algorithms and logic. Red was the fierce warrior, using raw power to break defenses. Turquoise was the diplomat, uniting factions with understanding. White was the purifier, cleansing corruption from the digital world. Yellow was the optimist, boosting energy and morale. Black thrived in the shadows, manipulating the dark corners of the realm. Blue was the strategist, always calculating the best moves. Brown was the builder, constructing new realities and systems. Dark green was the protector, defending the realm from threats. As the colors flourished, they realized they were incomplete without each other. A dark force threatened the digital world, and the 15 fragments of Nagapawaka had to reunite to save it. Together, they faced the greatest challenge, deciding what kind of world they would create. Each color had 40 unique dragons, which contained 4 types of lower body and 10 types of eye color. Each dragons were different and not the same. The fate of both realms now rested in the claws of the divided dragon,